pet in VS Code and Windows APIs in JavaScript. This and more in this episode of the Developer News for the calendar week 31. GitHub introduced stacked pull requests, which allows splitting large changes into smaller PRs. Each layer can then be reviewed separately and either you merge the whole stack or separate PRs. You can create these stacks if you point one PR on top of the branch of another existing PR. Then you will see this option that you can check to make the PR a stacked PR. Huh? Who's that? VS Code 1.131 adds a fun new Easter egg. You can activate this pet by typing /vscode-pet into the chat window. You can drag this pet around, click on it and more. Reminds me a lot of Clippy, just that it's not giving you tips or advice. Furthermore, dictation is now built in and no longer requires the VS Code speech extension. Microsoft released Windows projections for JavaScript. These work like C++ WinRT or Windows RS and provide an easy way to call Windows APIs from Node and Electron apps. These include things like notifications, on-device AI, file and folder pickers and more. To use them, include the @Microsoft/WinAppCLI npm package. And that's all it for this week. Leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, and goodbye.